And this is how we solve this formula and this answer. Mr. Gamal! Why can't you understand? We are in class. Why won't you listen to me? I'm giving you a homework and I expect you give it to me tomorrow.
Hey class, it's a new day and I'd like to ask everyone where's that assignment I gave you all. Please stand and hand it over. Everyone, please. Thank you very much. Mr. Gamali, where is your assignment? Are those fruits? Can I buy some? Wait, are you sure, Mr. Gamali? What are you doing here?
I was working, sir, for my sir.